In this video, we're going to be working on the front splits with an awesome exercise to develop serious strength and flexibility. That's right, flexibility isn't just about stretching, it's about developing strength, and you're going to be doing that in the front splits, front to back rock.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
So when you do this exercise, pay close attention to the cues. You must have your foot pulled up against the wall, dorsiflex, so that you get full flexion, so that you get the best stretch right down your calf and hamstring and glute. And just make sure that when you do it, you start higher than where you can go to. So you're not starting at full range of motion, you're starting at a reduced range of motion, and then with each rep you go a little bit wider. This is going to be really, really good for you. You can do this either once or twice a week. Make sure you have at least 72 hours rest between the session. You can do 3 to 5 sets. You've just got to see how your body responds to it. And if you feel really, really, really sore the next day and the day after, you've probably gone a little bit too hard, back it off a bit. If you overstretch, it's going to stifle your progress and it'll prevent you from getting more flexible.
Front splits, front to back rock. We use this in phase 2 to further develop the front splits by increasing the intensity with a front and back rock. The setup is the same as the active front splits from phase 1, except now you will have your foot against a wall to ensure you are at maximum dorsiflexion. This will stretch right through the calves and hamstring on the front leg. Ensure your hips remain facing forward and knees are straight. Don't set up at your maximum range of motion. Start a little higher than what you can do. Lean forward over the front knee, twisting towards the side of the front leg to intensify the stretch in the front leg, and hold for 2 to 3 seconds. Then lean back and hold for 2 to 3 seconds to intensify the stretch in the rear leg hip flexors. Repeat this several times. After each rep, your feet should go a little wider. Eventually, the set will finish when you are as deep into a front split as you can handle. The 3 cues to think of are: keep knees straight, keep pelvis facing forward, be intentional with end ranges.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. If we haven't met, my name is Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the co-founders of Unity Gym and the Unified Movement System, or UMS. Right now, you're here watching our free content on YouTube. And since you've already come this far, I can tell you're serious about getting strong, flexible, and fit. But if you're ready to level up, our free Facebook coaching group is exactly what's going to help you do just that. Not only can you ask questions and post videos for feedback from us, I'll also give you one of my most popular and effective programs, the 20-minute flexibility routine, as a gift for joining our tribe. See, despite our combined 50 years of training at an elite level, despite how much quality content we give away on YouTube, at some point, your progression will come to a grinding halt due to limiting factors that are unique to you alone. Honestly, it's not your fault. You haven't done anything wrong. But our tribe is a testament that having an expert look at what you're doing and help you to break through plateaus is simply game-changing. So whether you want to get more flexible, stronger, fitter, or learn some awesome calisthenics moves, or even just perfect your squat technique, we can help you get there faster and safer. Oh, and before you go, if you haven't already, smash those like buttons and subscribe buttons. It goes a really long way to supporting our channel and helps us keep putting out the content we do. And if you prefer to listen, search any podcast platform for Sound of Movement to listen to our amazing interviews with coaches and experts in their field. Well, that's it. I'm looking forward to meeting you in the UMS Movement Mastermind Facebook group. See you soon.